Love rich, creamy ice cream? Today, let's make authentic Italian gelato at home. It's smoother, denser, and packed with flavor. Let's get started. You'll need 2 cups whole milk, 1 cup heavy cream, 4 cup sugar, 4 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Optional: chocolate, pistachio paste, strawberries, or mango puree for different flavors. In a saucepan, combine the milk and heavy cream. Heat over medium heat until it's hot but not boiling. In another bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and sugar until the mixture becomes pale and creamy. Slowly pour the warm milk mixture into the egg mixture while whisking continuously. This prevents the eggs from scrambling. Pour everything back into the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Remove from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. For chocolate gelato, add melted chocolate. For fruit gelato, mix in your favorite fruit puree after the custard has cooled. Let the mixture cool completely, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Chilling is the secret to ultra-smooth gelato. Pour the chilled mixture into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions until thick and creamy. Transfer the gelato to a freezer-safe container and freeze for 2 to 3 hours for the perfect scoopable texture. Scoop into bowls or cones and garnish with fresh fruit, chopped pistachios, chocolate shavings, or mint leaves. Every bite is rich, silky, and irresistibly delicious. If you enjoyed this homemade gelato recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next video.